Huawei Honor 6X screen repair, teardown and reassemble. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, T5 Torx screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Power down your Huawei Honor 6X phone. Eject the dual Nano-SIM and microSD card tray. Use a plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips and pop the Huawei phone out of its metallic rear enclosure. The cable for the fingerprint scanner is still connected to the motherboard, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws and then the metal bracket. Disconnect the cable and separate the Honor 6X rear case from the phone. Starting with the Huawei Honor 6X battery connector, spudge up the bevy of cables from the motherboard. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws. Carefully free the Honor 6X motherboard from the gob of thermal paste securing it to the midframe. Detach the dual lens 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel Honor 6X rear facing camera from the motherboard. Remove the 8 megapixel Huawei Honor 6X front facing selfie camera. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws and 2 T5 Torx screws. Pry up the bracket that includes the spring contact connected Honor 6X vibrator. Extricate the interconnect cable, and then pop the coaxial cable off the daughter board. Easily remove the Huawei Honor 6X daughter board and loudspeaker assembly from the phone. Detach the loudspeaker and then separate the daughter board. It includes the Honor 6X micro USB port, microphone, spring contacts, and some control hardware. With the spudger in hand, free the 3340 mAh Honor 6X battery from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. Plug the Huawei Honor 6X earpiece speaker out of the chassis. Use the tweezers to remove the power and volume buttons cable from the side of the midframe. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing the 5.5-inch Full HD Huawei Honor 6X display assembly to the frame. Start slicing through the adhesive with the triangle opening tool. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display's cable when decoupling the Huawei Honor 6X screen from the frame. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.